How to fix Dolby Atmos not working in Windows 11. 1. Run the audio troubleshooter. 2. Check for Windows updates. 3. Update your sound driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back the sound driver. 4. Enable the exclusive mode in speaker properties. Select all the checkboxes under exclusive mode section. 5. Perform a system restore. 6. Uninstall then reinstall Dolby Access. 7. Reset the Dolby Access app.